Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be playing some kind of warship game. I think it's like World of Warships or something. Um, so yeah, basically all I do is I fight with a boat against other boats. But yeah, I just fight against other people. I don't think they're robots. Tell me if you want me to play more of this game or anything. I'm gonna go and get closer to my teammates right away, so because I don't want to get sunken. Hopefully I can win. And I'm already almost getting hit. And I'm already hit directly. How is he? Let's. He's hitting every shot. Hold on. I'm gonna put a med kit in, kinda. How is he hitting every shot? Ugh. Okay. I hate to tell you, but I'm not gonna win this one. Look at this. Literally every shot he's shooting at me. This guy I'm gonna shoot at. Oh, they have an aircraft. That's not good. I'm just gonna stay here, actually. Oh no. You think that aircraft's gonna launch any planes? I don't know. The aircrafts are hard to take out. Well, eh. So I just kind of sit here, aim the sight on him, miss every single bullet almost. Shoot a couple armor piercing. Do. I also have torpedoes and everything. So, oh, I got 5,000 damage off of him. I'm piercing his armor. He's going down. Let's go ahead and start shooting at this guy. Actually, I want some gold, so whenever you take out a boat, you get gold. Why am I missing everything? Load. I want to take the last shot and blow him out, because then I get the money. And I want the money, because, I mean, who doesn't? Oh, I'm gonna get hit. Yep. Load. Miss. I need a direct hit. Come on. Come on. How is he not blown up yet? We're gonna go narrow. Okay, this is the torpedo. Snap. There's too many shooting. I shot one. He's down. How is he not down yet? Launching both my airplanes. Oh, how did he not go down? Yo, hold on. I shot him with a torpedo. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to join a new one. I'm not very good at this game, clearly. And I should have upgraded my boat. Well, that's not going to help. Alright. Well, at least I'm by my teammate now. I'm going to switch over to the armor piercing, because it has more in it. Oh no, I'm going to get in the line of fire, and I don't like that. He just dodged a few. Alright, we're going to aim here. Watch. And I'm going to get going. Well, that would be way off. Alright, switch over to these. On the torpedoes, there's a high, or narrow and wide spread, so they shoot. Oh, so he can hit me, but I can't hit him. I hate how that happens. Then he's just shooting at me. Nice boat. Oh no, I'm on fire. How is he not... How are these guys not gone? I need it on wide. Come on, hurry up. Come on. My torpedoes. I'm gonna go down. Well, I shot it. That's the best I can do. So far, it looks like one's gonna hit it. You know what? I'm going down anyways. I'm gonna hit one boat at least. He's hit. No, are you kidding? It sails right past him. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna get some practice later. For now, I'm just gonna go on a different. All right. I switched over to this game because I don't exactly know how you can exactly lose on the game. So let's go get some. I don't know, whatever. Some skins. All right. Or hide. Okay, right here. There's something on my... Well, that probably scared it. Oh, there it is. It's a rabbit. I can't move fast enough. I hate the sensitivity on the game. Well, I have to find a bear anyways. It's nighttime right now, too, in the game. So, hopefully I don't drive off into the water. I've done it, and you can drown. I found that out the hard way. So, yeah. I'll probably just go for 10 minutes. And then I'll probably be done for a while. Or for today, I guess. See, oh snap, I'm dead. And dead. See, I didn't see the water. I thought that was just sand, like a beach kind of. Clearly it wasn't sand. Oops. Okay, I got back in the game. And, oh, there's a big animal by my place. Except, what is it? Should be over here. Let's go take a look. Hopefully it's a thing that weighs 200 pounds. Because then if I get a bear, I think they'll... Oh, there it is. Don't mess this up. Hopefully I get it down on the first shot. Oh, thank God. Okay, I was about to say, I've had it where it was running, and I had to take it out if I didn't. Otherwise, it'd... Oh, I have a flashlight. That's convenient. That's nice. Alright. Can't ever say no to a flashlight unless it's day. But, yeah. So, I'm gonna go put it in the car. It's a nice car for hunting. I mean, I can't afford a truck yet. And it happened again. I'm just not gonna load back in because I'm gonna figure out some way to not get ads and everything. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.